Hey everyone, hope you're having a great morning so far at school. And I just wanted to talk you through this planning sheet that you can use for your speech for the basic generic giving a normal speech about a typical issue. Big thing is you want to make sure that you've got a clear idea of what your topic is going to be and that you state that really clearly in the front. After that, you want to make sure you make it relevant to your audience. So tell a story, make it personal, talk about something for the news, etc. After that, you need to come up with your 3 points, and this is what I want you guys to have done for your checkpoint on Friday. These are some categories. You might use 3 points from each category. You might use 1 point from each. You might just focus on an emotional argument or a financial argument or a social argument. But just so you're thinking of different reasons why your point of view is important and matters to your audience. If your level one speech doesn't matter to your audience, then you're not going to reach the grade that you could get. So, an emotional argument for drunk driving might be that it breaks families apart. A financial argument might be it makes people lose their jobs. A social argument might be it's breaking apart society. That's an example for a very basic speech about drunk driving, and obviously your speech, you're going to put your own spin on it. Before Friday, I want you to have 3 key points that you could write about for your speech. If you had this sheet filled in rough form for Friday, I'd be really happy. Have an awesome day.